Step back a little bit, ma'am. You step out. You step out. Turn around and face away from us. Go down to your knees. Do it now.
You want me to go hands?
Go hands, please. Nobody move. Just carrying that down now.
Chris, call your mom and help me after this is all over, please.
She's not going anywhere.
Secure.
Once we take him back, and then we'll bring her up. Take him up that left door. Make sure you announce
I love you,
yourself, Rob.
Chris. Man, come up to us. Do it now. Slowly.
You got a mistake here. What's going on?
All right, we'll figure it out.
Turn away from us.
My mother's on.
Green coming out.
My mother's on fentanyl.
Okay.
Lift that chain up. Just lift right up. No, just lift up the white part. On
What do
this
you
side. On this side. Just, yeah. Just hold it from the wind.
Well, green coming out.
Please don't get me killed, huh? My parents are going through a mental
All right,
problem.
we'll
right
get
now.
that all
We need to
figured
talk
out.
about this right quickly.
Green.
I can't believe this is happening.
Can I get one more to
Just don't let me die, huh?
You're not going to die. You're in good hands with us.
My father tried to kill me already this morning.
We'll get all that figured out.
one or two?
I haven't done anything wrong. This is insane. I haven't done anything wrong.
All right, we'll get all that figured out.
Why am I being taken in right now?
You're just in handcuffs, all right? You're just being detained until we get this figured out.
Okay.
You're under arrest or anything at this moment.
Okay.
All right. Just stand in front of this car right here. Do you have anything on your hurt?
No, I don't have anything on me.
Just face the car, split your feet apart.
I don't see nothing wrong. Sitting there having coffee.
There's a couple cars back. A couple.
This is ridiculous. Honestly. Why isn't my father being there? Why am I being
Listen. We're going to get everything figured out, all right? I don't have all the answers right now. We just had to make contact with everybody involved, and we'll get all the answers after that, all right?
You send the whole force here, huh? You know, I was running for governor. You know that officially? I just spoke in Naples last night.
Okay.
And we need to work this out because I didn't do
We're
anything.
going to go in the crash.
Well, what are you doing with me?
Right now, we're just going to my car while they figure things out over there, and get all this worked out, all right? I don't have all the answers for you right now. Important thing was getting in contact with everybody. Now we did that. We can work on figure out what's going on. I'm just going right here to this car. You got big wrists. How are these cuffs feeling on you? I know they're not comfortable, but they're not killing you, right? We'll see if we can swap them out for some bigger cuffs later. It's almost on the last click. So hold on. Don't sit yet. Yeah, no. So stand there, face me. Alright, you're going to keep your feet out of the car, but sit down and watch your head as you do. It's a short door frame. Careful, careful. Don't put your feet in yet. Now you're going to scoot yourself all the way across. You're going to put your back against the other door. Yeah, these seats suck. Just try and go over that little hump and get to the other seat. And when you get your back to there, it'll have a little pocket so you're not leaning on the handcuffs at least. You can scoot back a little bit more until you're comfortable. Don't sit in that seat. You're gonna put your back against the door. Are you okay like that? You not in any pain? No. How's the temperature back there right now?
Which door is it?
It's okay? Alright, if that changes, let me know, alright?
Going to the lodge room on the